Hey there, how's it going everybody? In this video we want to talk about the summation and also the subtraction of two matrices. And here we have two examples, matrix A and matrix B. So we want to, for example, add up all the elements in matrix A with all the elements in matrix B. So first of all, we should define these matrices, matrix A and matrix B. I have a video tutorial, the previous tutorial, which we have taught how to define a matrix in Python programming language. So if you don't know about how to define a matrix in Python programming language, you can check the link in the description below, and also there is a link in the top right corner of this screen. There it is. So we have defined A and B, and for calculating the summation of these two matrices, we say print, we put some spaces for more readability, and we print A plus B, which A is our A matrix and B is our B matrix. So if you run a code, you can see that this element is the summation of 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. 5 plus 0 equals to 5, and etc. So this is how to calculate the summation of two matrices. In order to subtract each element of matrix B from matrix A, we say A minus B. A matrix minus B matrix. And if we run the code, you can see the output. And for example, this minus 6 is derived from 2 minus 8, which is minus 6. And for example, this 6 is derived from 7 minus 1. And this minus 5 is derived from 2 minus 7, which is minus 5. So this is how to calculate the summation and the subtraction of two matrices. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos specifically in these matrices calculation that we will talk in future videos. For example, like multiplication of two matrices, the determinant of two matrices, and the inverse of two matrices. Thank you for watching.
Clicking on the like button really helps out the channel with the YouTube algorithm, so I would really appreciate it if you did.